So hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Sofa, and today we're gonna have another interesting unpack video. Uh, I would like to say first of all that I was kind of a little bit ill in the last weeks. Thank God I didn't have the corona, but I'm fully now recovered and I'm actually getting back. Unfortunately, this entire corona stuff is I don't know, like it's a big bugger for everybody worldwide. And what I will do is I will try to provide more videos, more interesting stuff, and so on. So I'm trying to do my best. And as you can see, like if you have a family and you have a job, it's kind of a little bit slowing down everything. But I will get back to it and I will release more and more videos. Now, let's start. Now, I actually received recently this box, and it has some very interesting. It contains something very interesting, and I wanted to share this with you all. So let's start. I will open it up here. Okay, just make all the cuts perfectly. Okay, here we go. And a little bit trash on the side. Okay, very well packed, very well packed. And I'm just gonna throw this away. Yes, these are medals, as you probably assume already. And yeah, there we go, there's the one. So, what do we have here? I will first of all put on my gloves because I'm a little bit, how to say, I don't want to get that stuff with my finger fats like this and destroyed. I mean, like I'm like this kind of stuff, but needs to be handled very carefully. So one, just gonna put this up here. Very nice model, and let's see, carefully cutting out so without damaging anything. So okay. So by the way, this set came from a good friend of mine. He's helping me out with a lot of medals and stuff like this, and he told me that this is from one person. So it has actually a very interesting story besides this medal. This is one set. Now the research will actually show 100% if it's from one person. Now what do we have here? This is a very beautiful bar. So it actually contains two medals for courage. These are these two. And we have also the medal for battle merit, which is here. And we got one here. Plus, this bar has a very interesting medal. It's actually for the defense of Moscow. Now, when we take a little look on the back side, we're gonna see something very interesting. Now, first of all, we need to check the rings. Now, we have here one cut ring. Okay, this ring is not cut. It's complete. That ring is as well not cut. It looks originally just this one. And when we take a look at the back, we're gonna see something very interesting because we have here a medal for courage, which is 344,637. Now, just to give you a little understanding, there were a grand total of 4.5 million awarded. Now, this medal here is actually coming from a quadro suspension, and these later war pieces are coming with a regular suspension. Now, the quadro suspension are the ones, the little, how to say, they're like squares with the red cloth on it, and they have usually like a screw back. So it looks like the owner of this bar received his first one right at the beginning of the war, maybe earlier, who knows. As I mentioned, like the research will show more, but it's a very nice piece. A very nice bar, which is actually very salty. You can see it. It's not redone. If we take a look here, so it's an original piece here. Very nice. Just take a look at the back. Here we go. Used, but well, probably has a very interesting story to tell. So we got the Quadro piece here. Late war medal for courage, right there, and medal for battle merit. Here it's 2.5 million. That one is 2,200,000. So this is the little lot I received. A very beautiful piece. Very interesting to find out who the owner was. So you can see it's very beaten up. It's probably seen some real nice action, and the enamel here is very nice. It's almost intact, as you can see here. Just this piece is gone. Very nice. Very nice set. What to tell? A beautiful set. Here we go. Just put it back here. And we have our battle merit other piece here. Now this is also a very interesting piece. It's very salty. If I take a look at that's very salty. The ring was cut, but that doesn't matter. I mean, like, important is the number. A lot of people gonna say, but the medal for battle merit is not worth the research. Every medal is actually worth the research, and regarding research, I will do very soon a video on that. And if you have any kind of Soviet awards, especially wartime awards, you can always contact me, and I will be more than happy to assist you with the research. Suspension, very old. Can be cleaned out a little bit. Needs to clean out because they're very dirty. So that's actually it. That's my little lot, and I really love it. It's very nice set, and I hope I will find more information on those medals, on that medal bar, and I will of course share it with you all. So I appreciate your time. As usual, I wish you all a great evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you are, and enjoy your weekend. So thanks a lot. Don't forget to like my video. Put a like, don't forget that, and subscribe if you didn't. By the way, it would be awesome to reach 100 subscribers. It doesn't change a lot, but for me it would be like a very nice support, and I'm looking forward for your comments and so on. So thank you very much. Enjoy it. Have a nice one. Bye bye.